Hello everyone, you're welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw your Triple T app, your Triple T tokens straight to your DEXIS exchange. Alright, so initially I made a video about how to navigate through this platform, what this platform is all about, and how to withdraw your USDT to your Trust wallet. All right, because currently there is an ongoing reward program that is on, that the USDT is being distributed to their early users. All right, and so in my initial video I made a video on how to withdraw your USDT to your Trust wallet, and also I made some other videos which I'll be dropping at the link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and watch it if you are new in this channel. All right, and so today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Triple T's to your DEXIS exchange. Many of you have been asking me to do a video on how I withdrew mine, so I'll be showing you how I withdrew my $50 to my Trust, to my DEXIS wallet. All right, so if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell button, so that whenever I drop a video, you are going to be updated on time. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we go ahead the process of withdrawal, here is a quick overview I want you to know. The team actually said from their roadmap, following their roadmap, they actually said that we can withdraw all of this token into our wallet or other exchanges that you like when this Triple T here has been listed into global exchanges. And this Triple T here will be listed into global exchanges by second week of January. By then, the user base has increased to 5 million. That is when we can actually now all the features, like the send and receive features of all of these wallets right here, can be made available and open for us to be able to send to other exchanges or wallets. But currently right now, the feature is not enabled. Like if you click on the Dodge right now, using as an example, this send button over here is not enabled, and this receive button over here is not enabled. It's only the withdrawal here that is enabled. Okay, and now what do you want to withdraw when you cannot send any into the wallet? So all of this will be made available. Your withdrawal, your send, and the receive buttons right there will be made open and available for sending and receiving when the app, another version of this app, has been made public. All right, because following the roadmap of this project, they said that they are going to make another app. There's going to be an upgraded version of this app that will help us enable, that is going to enable this feature, turn it on for people to place their withdrawals. All right, for people to place their withdrawals. Okay, so there's going to be another upgraded version of this app. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure that you stay updated by subscribing to the channel and turning on your bell button, and also do your best to stay subscribed and stay connected in our WhatsApp and Telegram community, so that whenever the upgraded version of this app turns up, you are going to be updated on time. All right, so that is what I want you to understand. That's just a brief overview I want you to know about this. And also lastly, I want you to know that if you are claiming this, don't be in a haste to withdraw, because some persons are telling me that that just started, some persons that just started said that they have just resumed their claiming and they want to withdraw and they don't know how to withdraw. They are requesting for Solana. Yes, the team is currently giving out Solana for those that have been active for long, but that doesn't mean that you can't, you won't be eligible to withdraw when the withdrawal or upgraded version of this app finally on boards. All right, that's why you have to be updated. You have to stay connected whenever the next upgrade or update of this app is made known, so that you get updates of when it is made known for you to know what to do in our communities. All right. So that is what I want you to know about this. So you have to keep claiming all of these tokens daily for free in your wallet. All right. All these tokens are given freely for everyone to be claiming. All right. And these tokens you see right here are from the team directly, because they have invested $5 million into this project and have made these tokens all for free, and have, from their funding, you can see all these tokens right below their fundings are all made available for free. All these tokens here are claimed for free. So these are the free tokens that you're gonna be claiming. You just have to be consistently claiming these tokens, and do not worry about sending it out immediately, because crypto itself is all about patience. All right, crypto itself is all about patience. So that is what I want you to know about the withdrawal of this. That's what I want you to know about the withdrawal of this. And for those that have been asking me, why is they sending they send and receiving button not yet made available? So that is the reason. You have to understand that every feature, all the features here have not yet been onboarded. All right, there will be an upgraded version of this app that will enable us to be able to send and receive. All right, but currently this is the only thing that is on, which is withdraw, and it's only when the giveaway is done that you can be able to withdraw. All right, or when there is a kind of mechanism where you can send out your tokens to another exchange for a short period of time, that you can use this feature. But as for these two features that you see right here, is only when the app is updated, when there's an upgraded version of this app that you can send out. All right, that is why you have to ensure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected in our communities. All the links are right at the description of this video. Okay, so that is it, guys. So in order for you to send, if you want to send out this token, these triple T's right here, you must definitely have some soul. All right, you should have some soul, because this token right here was built on the triple T's network. So if you want to send out the triple T's to your Phantom wallet, which you are going to be using, you must have some Solana in your wallet. And now, how do you get this Solana when you know that you can't even send into the wallet? It's by daily claiming, because the team and their roadmap, they said that you can only claim, you can actually have some Solana by claiming, without claiming directly from the giveaways that is on through your 12 hours daily claiming. You can't claim some Solana here, because this button is not working. This button is not actually activated yet. All right, but you can withdraw. So the only way you can have some Solana here is by doing your daily 12 hours claiming every day. All right, so do not worry about if you don't see it on time. If it doesn't reflect on time, you have to be consistently claiming. Okay, so that's what you need to know about this. That's what I want you to know about this. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to place your withdrawal directly. So in order for you to withdraw your triple T's to your wallet, you have to come to where you have your profile right here. You click on it. After clicking on where you have your profile, you come down to where you have your digital wallet here. You click on it. And after clicking on where you have your digital wallet, this is what we want to be sending out. We want to be sending out our triple T's. All right, you click on that triple T's. Then when you click on that triple T's here, you click on withdrawal right here. You click on withdrawal. Then you come down here and paste your wallet address. You need a Redium Dex wallet address to be pasted here. All right, and the Redium Dex wallet address has to be on the Solana network. Okay, so, and also the minimum you can be withdrawing out from this wallet is currently 100 triple T's. All right, that is the minimum I can be withdrawing. So here in my wallet, I have 562 triple T's. I have withdrawn the first one initially last month, and I want to be for me to be able to withdraw this, I will need to claim some certain amount of Solana to be able to withdraw this. All right. So after pasting all of this, filling in all these details, you now come over here and click on submit. All right. So let's go back to our Radium Dex exchange and go and copy our wallet so that we can come here and paste it. So here is my Phantom wallet. I'll just click on here. You can use this option. You can either decide to copy from here, or you can copy directly from here. Okay, so let me just copy directly from here. You click on it. When you click on it, you now see you copy. You click on your Solana. You click right here. Okay, you click this nugget right here. Then I'll click on it. You can see copied. It has showed copied. It has to indicate copied to be sure that you've copied it. All right. You click on it again in case you mistakenly you haven't copied it properly. Ensure you click on it, and when you click on it, it should show copy right here. Okay, so I'll click on it. When you click on it, you can see copied has showed. Now you go back to your triple T. So we'll now paste that address that we copied from our Phantom wallet right here. Okay, so we'll paste it right here. After pasting that wallet address right here, you now select the amount that you want to be sending, and you leave this network the way it is. Okay, all right. Then after putting in the amount that I want to be sending, your minimum should be 100 TTT or 200 above 100 TTT. Okay, let's say I want to put 100 above 100 TTT, but your minimum should be 100. Okay, then after putting in your minimum, which is 100 TTE, you now click on your submit, and then when you click on submit, you approve the transaction, and the coin will be sent automatically to your Radium Dex wallet. It will be sent automatically to your Phantom wallet. You can now go over to your Phantom wallet and receive and see the token. All right, and see the token sitting in your Phantom wallet, where you can now swap to Solana and cash out the money immediately. All right, so that is how to withdraw your tokens right here on your digital exchange. Okay, if you have any question, leave them at the comment section. I reply in 5 minutes. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell button so that whenever I drop a new video, you are going to be updated on time. See you in the next video.